Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel. It's almost back to school. So, I'm going to be making a pineapple banana smoothie bowl. So, let's get started. First, I'm going to add in a splash of almond milk. You always want to put, when you're making a thick smoothie, your liquids at the bottom and your fresh fruit so it blends easier. Now I'm going to have some Greek yogurt here. I'm going to put in a few spoonfuls of that. Just to add some sweetness to it. I'm only going to do 1 spoon of that. I'm now going to add in my frozen fruits. Here I have a frozen pineapple and frozen banana. But if you don't have frozen pineapple, you can always replace it with frozen strawberries or frozen blueberries. So this is about 1.5 cups of frozen pineapple. I'm not going to use all these bananas. I'm only going to use about 4 of these slices. And then I can always add in more. And then last but not least, I have some flaxseed. I'm going to just do a small spoonful for some vitamins. And now I'm going to blend it. It will be thick, so if whatever liquid you're using, you can add in a drop more if it's not blended enough. Now that my smoothie bowl is all blended, I'm going to pour it into a bowl and top it with fruits and granola. If your smoothie bowl is too liquidy, put it in the freezer for a few minutes and it will thicken up. Now it's time for the taste test. It's delicious. It tastes so tropical and it is incredible. Make sure you try this recipe at home and thanks for watching. Bye!